Okay, kids, this is Tay from Tay Has Spoken, and I am doing a influencer unboxing. This is the Slim Fast Advanced Nutrition Kit. So they sent me a postcard with all of the new snacks, and they also sent me the card telling you what you have to do on the advanced nutrition plan. And it says you can lose up to 8 pounds. Lose up to 8 pounds in 2 weeks. So you'll have two shakes a day to replace your meals, one healthy meal, and then I can have three snacks. I think I am going to do this. I'm probably going to go to the store and get some of the meals and some of the shakes and do it for 2 weeks and jumpstart that off in January, actually, to see how that does. And I'm supposed to tell you that all the products here I received for testing purposes, and they were free. Okay, so here's what's in the box. It's your thing. It's your thing. Okay. So we have one of the Slim Fast high protein shakes. It's in creamy chocolate. Yes. Oh, look at that damn. Let's see here. And it's 180 calories, 6 carbs, a lot of potassium, sort of low sodium, has some protein, 1 grams of sugar. Here are some of the, oh, that's probably not going to be good, but there's some of that. Okay, also in here, we have the Slim Fast 100 calorie sour cream and onion chips. It has 2 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber, and they're 100 calories. Have a Slim Fast Advanced Nutrition Bar, 10 grams of protein, has some vitamins and minerals, gluten-free for those gluten-free people, and these are 190 calories a bar. So I have to see if I do this as a meal replacement or as a snack. Probably a snack. And then we have some of the Cinnabon Swirl Drizzle Chips. They're 100 calories and 3 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. So that's it. That's going to be fun to try to jumpstart my weight loss, because I'm going to try to do different things for coming up in January. And I'm going to just try out different programs to the letter kind of every week. And I am going to jumpstart this off in January. But I might just taste these because I'm sure I have to do a taste review. So I will taste these things. But I'm going to do a full 2 weeks starting off in January. So this was my influencer kit. Thanks Slim Fast, thanks influencer, and this was just a quick unboxing. Talk to you soon, guys.